Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp applications on your REALME Narzo N53. So I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. In the first step, open the Google Play Store and look for the WhatsApp business app. Oh, sorry, misclick. Now install that one, and by this quick way, we have two WhatsApp applications from the official source. That was the first method. Now the second one, open the Google Play Store, and now you have to install the two accounts app. After that, of course, we have to open it. And now tap on the WhatsApp icon, then hold press set automatically, and we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. It was a like, recommend, and goodbye.